today we have to discuss anomalous behavior of water. Firstly, what is the property of liquid? Any liquid, when it is heated, it expands, and when it is cooled, it contracts. Again, I am telling what is the property of any liquid. Any liquid, when it is heated, it expands, it spread up, and when it is cooled, it contracts. So that is the property of liquid. So water is also a liquid. So that water must behave, or it must satisfy this property. That definitely the water as a liquid, it must follow this property. But water in some specific temperature range, it does not follow or obey this property. That when water in some specific range it is heated, it contracts instead of expanding. But what is the property of liquid? When it is heated, it must be expanded. But water, it does not follow this property in some specific temperature range. That we will see here. Water, when heated between 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius, it contracts instead of expanding. Means water shows some exceptional behavior. Water, it shows some exceptional behavior when it is heated between the temperature range 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius. In this temperature range 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius, water, it contracts instead of expanding. So it shows this exceptional behavior, and that behavior we call it as anomalous behavior of water. Here, this anomalous behavior of water can be described or can be discussed by one graph. So, when 1 kilogram of water it is taken and it is heated, means we have started giving heat to 1 kilogram water. So, this water, if we plot the graph, then graph is like this. So here the specific volume of water, that is specific volume, it is in centimeter cube per gram, and temperature in degree Celsius. If we plot volume, specific volume of water versus its temperature in degree Celsius and specific volume in centimeter cube per gram. So when we start heating the water from this 0 degree Celsius, its volume here, volume is in between 1000.10 and 1000.15 centimeter cube per gram at 0 degree Celsius, and when we start heating, means its temperature increases, it will become 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, and the volume, what is the position of volume? So at 0 degree Celsius, the volume is highest before giving heat, or at 0 degree Celsius, here the volume is in between 1000.10 and 1000.15 centimeter cube per gram. And when the temperature reaches 1 degree Celsius, here the volume decreases. Then again at 2 degree Celsius, again volume decreases. Again at 3 degree Celsius, volume decreases. And at 4 degree Celsius, volume is released. Means what? When the water is heated from 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius, its volume decreases. But what is the property of liquid? When it is heated, its temperature increases and its volume also increases. That is the property of liquid. But instead of increasing the volume or instead of expanding, increases volume means it expands, but here volume decreases means it contracts. So at 4 degrees Celsius, we have started from 0 degrees Celsius, and here the volume decreases slowly, and when the temperature reaches 4 degree, its volume is minimum or least, we can say. And we know the relationship between volume and density. Volume and density, they are inversely proportional to each other. Hence, if the volume is more, density will be less. If the volume is least, density will be maximum. So that is the relationship between density and volume. So here at 4 degrees Celsius, the volume is least, means density is highest. But after 4 degrees Celsius, when temperature reaches above 4 degrees Celsius, this volume it again start increasing. See here this graph. At 5 degrees Celsius, volume is increased. At 6 degrees Celsius more. At 7 degrees Celsius, somewhat more volume. At 8 degrees Celsius, 9 degrees Celsius. Here, in the temperature at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius only, the volume of water it goes on decreasing. Means what? Volume is decreasing means what? It is contracting. So that behavior of water in the temperature is 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, instead of expanding, means instead of increasing the volume, its volume decreases. So this exceptional behavior that water shows in the temperature is 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, it must have to be expanded, but instead of expanding, that water is contracted. And after 4 degrees Celsius, that volume again start increasing. Means here it obeys the property of liquid. That is on heating, here from 4 degrees Celsius above, we can say that water is obeying the property that when any liquid is heated, it expands, means its volume increases, and its volume increases means density decreases. Because density and volume, they are inversely proportional to each other. So here, if we discuss at 4 degrees Celsius, volume is least, and volume is least means inversely the density will be highest at 4 degrees Celsius. And this anomalous behavior of water can be studied with the help of Hope's apparatus. We will see next week. We will see how the anomalous behavior of water can be studied by using Hope's apparatus. That scientist Hope has formulated or produced one apparatus from by the help of that apparatus we can study the anomalous behavior of water. So it's now completed.